Hello children, how are you all keeping? Enjoying a lot, I know that. And studying this much only, no? And enjoying this much. Okay, this is your Sushri Miss who will be taking your computers sessions. And we are here with a virtual classroom for you all. And although I know you people are not able to come here, we are all not together. So in a virtual class, I will be presenting you whatever contents we have of our lessons. You go through it properly, and I hope you will all enjoy the sessions also. And whatever doubts you get, whatever queries you have, tell your parents to mail us, mail we teachers in our own respective email IDs. Will be there for you solving your problems. Right? Hope you enjoy the session. Have a nice time. Hello children. So now during this period, what you all are doing at home? Always sticking to those TV, mobile phone and doing what? Going through so many works, isn't it? You are drawing, coloring pictures sometimes, and some other times you are also playing, right? I know, along with that, sometimes you are also using your computers at home, right? And what you are doing with those? You are typing something, you are painting, you are drawing, and yes, sometimes also you are using that internet. I know that. And you are trying to go on to different subjects. Even sometimes after doing all these, when mama is getting angry, you all are going to your study table. And sometimes when mama sits for a longer time, she also gets on to those internet and computer teaching you lot many different things, no? Right? Yes. And you are also sometimes watching cartoons, I know. Doraemon, Ninja Hattori, all these are going on at home. Even along with that Ramayana and all, this is also working. And even sometimes you are watching movies, no? Yes. So, doing all these work. So, children, when you are doing all this work in a day, most of the time of a day, are we on all spending with our computers? Right. So, Mr. Computer is here, always with you. Right. So, today in our lesson, we will be dealing something which is related to this Mr. Computer only. Okay. In LKG and UKG, you were there in the classroom. What your teachers used to do? They used to show you the rhymes over the educom that you say, right? In the smart class, they used to show you the rhymes. They used to write your handwritings over there, and they used to write your in the maths pages also. So many things every day in your life, be it at school, be it at home. Wherever you go, you find Mr. Computer present for you. So we will be dealing with this computer only and how we are using this. Well children, we are using whom? We are using this Mr. Computer, which is a wonderful machine, and along with that wonderful only, it's not also useful, isn't it children? It's useful, no? Yes. What all things we do? Yes, we love to spend time drawing and coloring the pictures, isn't it? Are we all able to see? Here is our Doraemon, Mr. Dore. So what you do with this Dore? You are drawn this. You are able to draw. Even you can draw many more. You can draw trees, apple, whatever you want. So you are able to draw and color pictures. But children, this drawing and coloring pictures, using of these different shapes, using of these different colors, and yes, here there are tools, so many things. But we do all these things with the help of whom? We do all these things with the help of mouse. Okay? Mouse is a part of your computer and we are doing this drawing and coloring of the pictures by using a mouse. Yes, then came here this games, and I know you all love it, be it racing of your cars, be it all these games, be it this shooting, whatever games you have. Not many different kinds of games. I have only shown you 3 pictures here, but I know you are playing 30 games, and you are doing it through what? Enjoying it, no? Playing games with the help of Mr. Computer, isn't it? So Mr. Computer is of so much help to us. We are using computer for this purpose also. And yes, work done on a computer, how it can be stored? Whatever we are drawing, whatever we are writing, whatever we are providing text, whatever we are doing. So, what is happening in them? We can save them, isn't it? Whatever drawing, whatever writing, whatever painting, whatever recording, whatever music. So, all these can be stored. So, computer is of help to us where we can store lot many things. Be it music, be it video, be it your any kind of drawing, be it any text, be it any letter, whatever. So we are able to store all of them. And what you are able to see here, this is one of the storage devices. This is a CD, right, children? That means this CD is one of the way in which, or one of the storage media where we can store data. Like pen drives also you have also the computer hard disk is also there. So overall we can say that whatever work done on a computer, it can be stored, and or we can say we can save data or information inside a computer. Okay. Next, what this fellow is doing here? Typing something. Yes, he seems to be typing some letters or whatever stories, right? You also do know all these work over computer. So in computer we can write letters, we can write stories, even sometimes we find papa mama writing some applications, some letters, all these things. So computer is also enabling us to write letters, stories and typing of the text, right? So this overall writing letters, stories, what we can say? We are able to type text in computers. Okay. And here it came Google, the most interesting, most useful, most common, and where every day we get on to write something, type something, and we expect that this Mr. Google should give us many options. If we write one thing, it should give us lot many informations. Okay. So what this Google will be doing? It will be a kind of medium where we can have information regarding entertainments, okay, like booking tickets online. It could be your railway tickets, it could be your flight tickets, it could be booking a movie ticket also. Whatever we have, we can get on to some useful informations also. So all these things, this by use of this internet with the help of our computer, we can get on, isn't it? Aren't you all using this? So the moment we are out of anything, we go on to net and we just get on to typing it in your Google. Then children, we have this. Okay, after entertainment, obviously we have to study little bit now, otherwise mama is going to scold, isn't it? Yes, this happens with everybody. It happens with you, it also happened with me. After entertainment, if you don't sit with your books, you are going to get a good bang from mama. That is must. And by the time papa returns home, our studies should be over, right? So, and one of the best way what children, with the help of this computer, we can study different subjects. Because whatever we are searching over the net also, for that we are using your computer. and with the help of that we can study. Like lot many different work which our teachers are giving, we can work them out over the computer also. So studying different subjects is a kind of that we are gaining some knowledge. So gaining this knowledge, where here also our computer is of so much useful to us, right children? At schools also, isn't it? We are studying through our those smart classes. There also we are enabled. We are going to our labs. So there also so many computers are there. So best for studying different subjects, computer is of lot of help to us, because computer works very fast. It helps us in gaining so much of knowledge. And yes, finding the sums, remembering the multiplication tables is of so much hectic work, no children? Such a tough job. Yes, if you don't mug up the tables, if you don't learn the tables at home, mama is there. If you don't learn the tables at school, teachers are there. So we have to do. We try to remember, we try to work out whatever sums are given to us by our parents, by our teachers. We try to work out, isn't it? Mama gives no, yes, today you have to solve 10 sums, then only you will be allowed to watch TV. Otherwise, no TV. If you want to see the mobile for some time, you have to carry out these many tasks. So we try our level best, working upon the sums and trying to put them. But you know, as much we can do, but this fellow, you know, this Mr. Computer, it is much more faster than us also. It can solve the sums very quickly and do every calculation in such a fast way. It has that power that this computer is also used for solving sums and do calculations. And we can use it for all when we have large number of calculations and we need to put them on within a short time. So this computer can do this. Computer is also capable of solving sums and doing calculations. And how it does? It does very fast. Zoom! And the calculation is over. Yes, children, after studies, entertainment is a must, no? Yes. And the promise is done with mama. When promise is done means it has to be kept. Isn't it? We can listen music, we can watch cartoon, we can use movies, whether it is cartoons means whether it is Doraemon, whether it is Ninja Hattori, whether it is Oogie or Cockroach, but watching is a must. And computer is very much helpful in that. Okay, when somebody at home is watching TV, in place of that, but we also need to watch cartoons, we can do it with the help of our computers. We can listen to music, we can store lot many audios also, and whenever we want, we can listen to those musics. Even sometimes we can have some movies, we can download, we can keep it, or if we have it also, we can keep it, we can watch, and if on half on the way also we can stop over there or pause, then again we can also begin with those movies in between. So we can say that our computer is helpful to us for listening to music, watching to cartoons and movies. So now computer is very nice, no? It is helping us doing so many interesting works, right children? I know you all are doing all these with computer. And yes, apart from all these children, you know, this computer can get us connected over the whole world. Wherever, throughout the world, wherever our auntie is staying, uncle is staying, cousins are staying, any brother, any of our siblings, or wherever they are staying. But we can get in touch with them. How? Through the emails. Right? Through emails. How we can get in touch with them? We can send them mails. We can receive mails from them. And you know children, it is such a powerful machine this computer which can be used for instantly sending messages and instantly receiving messages also. That means within very few time, within a very less time, we can send messages and we can receive messages also very quickly, be it anywhere through the world. But we can get in connected to people, right? Now children, when we have discussed so many things, that is the use of our computers, where all we are using. But now we can specify this to which all places we are using. Okay? And that was up to what all works we were doing with the help of computers. Now, where are we are using all these? Which are the places where this Mr. Computer is used? This is used everywhere, isn't it? Wherever you go, you get to find on this. At home when we are there, we have Mr. Computer placed so nicely on our table, looking at us when we will open it and when we will use it, isn't it? And we also have that curiosity. So quickly we have to finish our food, or so quickly we have to finish our studies, then we will be running and sitting in that chair in front of our computer, right? So at home we have, okay, we are going with mama to Pantaloons, Big Bazaar, and where not, to these malls, to shopping malls, wherever we go, everywhere. At the end of filling up the trolley, where we go? To the billing counter, right? We'll be pushing on the trolley with all our favorite things loaded into that trolley. But where we go, mama or papa has to go for billing, right? Isn't it? And in that billing counter, what do we find, children? One auntie will be sitting like this, or one didi kind of person will be there. Sometimes also this is replaced by some bhaiyas or uncles. And what they will be having in front of them? They will be having this in front of them. And yes, mama is standing here. These are all our bags, all filled up with all our favorite things. And now she has to do the most important work. She is holding her card. She will be swiping it, isn't it, children? So all this whatever we have brought, this calculation, this billing part, where it is done, children? This is done with the help of this computer, right? So in shops and malls also we are able to find our computers, right? And yes, holidays, vacation means going somewhere. So in railway stations we go for making some instant tickets, or we go for some enquiry, whatever we go for. But we will be in railway stations finding some computers present over there, giving us some data or information to us. Next, in schools we have our labs, whatever we study in computers. Now you will be given time for practicing them. And where you practice? You practice it in your labs. So generally in schools we have computer labs. And there some children like you, our cute boys and girls, they go on with this curiosity. They look upon the systems and go on practicing. Okay? What is the next place where we find this, children? Yes, when we are going to hotels and resorts for a vacation. The moment you enter and get down of the vehicle, a man comes, they receive you from those hotels, those people, and they take you where? You go on and sit in the lounge. Where is that? The reception hall. You people keep on waiting, and Papa goes where? To the reception counter to inquire about the status of our booking, okay, and the room numbers and all. There, that whoever is present there in the reception, what they do? They go on searching through the system where our booking details are, who we all are, which room is allotted to us, what kind of room is allotted to us, everything. Even when your holiday stay is over, when you come back, what we do? We go on, Papa goes on over there for billing in this reception center, isn't it? There he asks, what is the amount we have to pay? All these work, children, where it is done? It is done with the help of these computers. So what you can say? You are able to find these in hotels, resorts, even in restaurants when you go, isn't it? So what is the next place? Yes, of course, very important. Now we have to be very disciplined while saying this, because it is used in offices, isn't it? Very important place. Papa is going there. Papa is having an office. Computers are used over there. Right, children? So these are also used in offices. Right? Next. Next where, children? Yes. Sometimes what we say, Papa, where you are going? Mama, where we are going? We will also go with you. We will also go with you. Like after sometimes also crying and all these weeping, we are also benefited, isn't it? Then Papa and Mama says, okay, come. You will go there, but you won't disturb me. You will go silently and you will come. Then we have a plan in mind while going to that bank or wherever they are going. We will go with them. But while coming, the chocolate is a must, no? Or in summers, ice cream to banta hi hai. So what we do? We tell, okay, Mama, Papa, we will be quiet. We will not be disturbing you. We will go with you. And where do they go? They go and reach banks. Banks you have seen, no? Uncles sitting over there. Uncles and aunties sometimes they sit. They have all computer in front of them. And Papa and Mama go on for having their work. There also what we find? In every counter, in every other place all around these days, in almost all the banks, in all banks I will say, we have seen computers used over there, right? What do they do? Papa and Mama keep a track of their accounts over there, right? So bank people also use this computer, and we are able to find these computers in the banks where all the account details are kept. Okay, now the most interesting place. These are used in airports also, because for all our details, all the details of we passengers, be it about the flights, everything is recorded and maintained, and all the details, they are maintained through what? They are maintained through the computers. Okay, in airports also we find this. Well, children, this is all about using your computers and places where these computers used. Any queries, you can tell your parents to mail your respective teachers in our mail IDs. Hope you like this session. Have a nice time.